everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Andrea and today I'm going to be showing you what I keep in my little makeup box. I keep all my makeup in this little basket instead of a makeup bag because it just stays in my bathroom and I don't want to rifle through a bag every day. So if you like this kind of video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Let's get started. This video kind of reminds me of like a what's in my purse video because I only use, like 5 things out of here, but I have a lot more than 5 things in here, so I'm a little curious. The first thing is my NYX eyebrow cake powder in the shade dark brown. I use this every day. Next is my foundation, which is the Estee Lauder Double Wear, which I also use every day. Here is the Bare Minerals powder foundation in the shade Fairly Light. This is the size that you can get around Christmas time. That's like double what you normally get. I have no idea how I got away with using this as my foundation because my face is so dry, but there was a period of time where I only used this for foundation. It's a miracle my face didn't just like burn off from being so dry, but I don't really use this anymore. So why do I keep it in here? This is just where I keep my nose rings. It used to hold lipsticks from Bedhead when I was a teenager. It's really yucky, but that's where I keep my nose rings. I have a Bare Minerals concealer in the shade Well Rested. I'm pretty sure this is an under eye concealer. Yeah, it says eye brightener. It just gets kind of cakey on my eyes, so I pulled it out the other day from a pile of makeup that I had in a box from when I moved. And thought I would try it out, but I just don't really love it. What do you know? Here's another one. 2 of those that I don't use. It's taking up space. This is Bare Minerals Mineral Veil, which I want to start setting my foundation with because I don't set it at the moment, and it's totally fine, but I feel like I'd like the option. And so I just had this in a box previously, and I just pulled it back out. If I use concealer, which I typically don't, I use this one, which is the Master Conceal by Face Studio. Don't know how I came across this one or why I chose it. I don't really use it, but it's in the shade 20 Light. Next is my Urban Decay Naked palette. This is the Naked 1 palette. I've had this for literally years, and as you can see, not much is used. The only time this gets used is if my sister does my makeup for me, which is mostly like holidays because I just like to jazz it up a little, But on the daily, I just can't figure out eyeshadow. It's just not my jam. Next is this Amazonian Clay blush by Tarte in the shade Exposed. Please tell me what this like dark means. Does it mean I'm gross and that this is gross and expired? It surely expired after 12 months and I've had it for a lot longer than that. So let me know. Here's another Amazonian Clay in the shade Dazzled. Again, has this yucky dark stuff. Please, in the comments, tell me, what does this mean? Shelby, I guarantee you know. Here is the Tarte Tarteist Pro Glow To Go palette. I use the concealer, I use the bronzer every single day. These I only use if I'm traveling. Here is my favorite Milani blush in the shade Romantic Rose 1. Doesn't have the gross stuff, so something's happening here. Here's my favorite mascara, the Rocket by Maybelline, and I always get it in the darkest shade, which is Blackest Black. Here's a little sample of the, what is this called? The Double Wear. This must be from when I got it at my wedding. I don't really know why I saved the tube, but I did. This is a natural lipstick that I got in a Nipsey bag. It's actually a pretty color, but I only really use one lipstick, if any. And it's actually not in this bag, or box, bin, whatever. This is a Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick by Stila. It's actually pretty purple on your lips, and I feel like it really dries me out, and so I don't really wear it anymore. This actually is another shade that I'll wear occasionally, but it's called Seductress by Maybelline New York, and Superstay Matte Ink. I got this. I'll wear it. I feel like liquid lipsticks are super drying. And so, like, is it even worth it? Probably not. This is called Make Me Brow by Essence. It kind of is very dramatic, and so I don't really use it unless I'm in a huge rush and don't want to use this, but it's very rare because it's a little scary. This is called Thank Me Later. It's an eyeshadow primer by Elizabeth Mott. Oh, that's my last name. That's funny. I think this came in an Ipsy bag. Shows you how much I use it. I didn't even know that it said Mott on it, but this goes well with my eyeshadow, and my sister does it on like Christmas. Here's an eyebrow pencil by It. I actually did use it for a long time, but here's the pencil end, and then it just has this spoolie at the other side. I wonder why I didn't finish this. Huh, there's still so much left. I'm gonna use this again. This is a great video because now I get to rediscover things that I love that are just at the bottom of a basket. Here's an eyeliner that I use occasionally. It's called Wonderland Gel Kohl Liner by Siete London, I think. Well, here's the end. It's like the brush part that you can like smooth out your eyeliner. But it's kind of creamy. So it looks like a pencil. It says it's gel and it's pretty creamy. So I really like it actually. I've been missing these for a week. Oh my Lanta. Here are my tweezers. I just got them. They're from Revlon. Well, I got them a couple months ago, but I've been missing them. Praise the Lord for this video. Okay, so I have a plethora of lipsticks that I don't use. I always try to pick one that is in this similar color family, and I never end up using it. So let's just go through those. Blushing Mauve by Revlon. Pretty. Don't use it ever. This is, who even knows? 529 by NYX. Pretty. Don't use it. This is Tartiest Lip Paint by Tarte. Pretty sure this came in an Ipsy at one point. Marvelous Moxie by Bare Minerals Buttercream. Doesn't really work well. I think it's a lip gloss. Not a fan. This is NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Creme Brulee. Don't love it. Here's a NARS pencil. This came as like a birthday thing, I think, but it is a satin lip stain, and it doesn't have a color on it, or it has worn off, but it's in this shade, which is really pretty, but it's not for me, I guess. Same with lip liners. So I got a bunch of lip liners to match these lipsticks that I don't wear. Here's one. They're actually very pretty, but it just doesn't work for me, I guess. It is called Nude Pink by NYX. It's a cute little color. This one is NYX Professional Makeup Slide On, Glide On, Stay On, and definitely a turn on Waterproof Extreme Color Lip Liner. It says this lip liner is so good. The name had to be this long. Okay, well, it's in the shade Alluring. It's pretty. What a surprise by that name. Here's another one, NYX Matte Lip Liner in the shade Whipped Caviar. Is that it? Yeah, Caviar. Really pretty. Here are a couple other eyeliners that I use, which I don't use it a lot, but when I do. This is called The Lasting Line in Absolute Black by Bare Minerals, and it's kind of creamy as well, and it has this little, well, this little getter at the end, so you can like smooth it out. This is by JCat Beauty. I'm sure this came in an Ipsy bag a long time ago. Just a black, well, no, it's like a gray. It's called Dark Gray eyeliner. Definitely don't use this. I'm gonna throw this out. Dark brown pencil. The last time I actually used this was to write on my mirror in my bathroom. Here's a gold eyeliner by The Balm. It's called Mr. Right Now Eyeliner Pencil. Then it says Jack. Maybe that's the color, but it's this gold color. This is an eyeshadow pencil, which it's called a mini shadow crayon in Marimoto, pink pearl. It's actually such a blessing because it's like all of your eyeshadow in one little swipe. Oh, it's gone. Oh no, here it is. It was in the cap. Obviously I don't use it, but it was really cute when I would wear it occasionally. That's what it looks like. This is a mascara that I got. Oh wait, no, this is not the one, I don't think. Yeah, it is. This is a mascara that I got as a sample. It is by Lancome and it's called Monsieur Big. I don't know. But it's actually one of the only high-end mascaras that I have liked ever. Here it is. This is disgusting, but it is the Karma perfume like rub-on. Looks like this from Lush. I don't really use it. I'm very sensitive to smells and I thought I would like it. I really want to be like a perfume person. I'm just not. So, but that's in here just in case. I have this little Vaseline Lip Therapy in Rosy Lips. I like to wear that before bed. I have these little clips that I got from Forever 21. The pump for my foundation. My eyelash curler. Eyebrow tweezers. This little hair tie. And this. I forgot what this is, but I'm pretty sure I got it in the fishing department in order to get my nose rings in and out because with these nails it's very hard. So, well, if I'm being truthful, there are things to like screw down these other things in my bathroom in this box. Why? Why is it here? I don't really know. But that's everything in my little makeup basket. You might be thinking, where are all your brushes? Well, they're here. It's a whole separate thing. It's not super interesting. But if you're curious about them, let me know. Again, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching.